Hey guys, this
Hello.
is Exclamation 4 here, as you know, and this is my little sister.
Hi.
And we're doing an unboxing. Okay. I can't show you my address. I'm not just showed it. Okay.
No, obviously not.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, now you can see our faces because I know this is covering. So, let's see. This one is from Japan. Yep. And it says dolls. I don't know. Dragonball, obviously. I'm guessing. Obviously. Okay. Let's check what it is. I actually don't remember what it is. Should think I know what it is. But, let's check.
The box.
You hear him call? Oh god, I feel like I want to stab myself.
Oh my god, Stan.
I'm not pooping.
You need a push, lady.
No, I'm afraid I don't want
I'm not gonna break it.
the box inside. Where's my box cutter when you need it? Oh my gosh, stupid
Wait,
tape.
who gave you this though?
Who?
The guy. Some guy gave you this?
No, I bought it.
Oh, whoops. I knew that.
Oh. It's freaking tape, man. Okay. Now I have to cut this side.
Japan is very nice. I've never been to Japan though. But I went to Epcot.
Oh god.
Does that count?
I need to go to Japan before I
Japan is
pass.
cool.
Before I die.
You're not gonna. You know how long it's gonna be?
Just saying.
My eyes are really red.
Okay, got it.
I want to read the. Can I keep the letters though? I want to read it.
Okay. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Imagine if it was recording. Wow.
Are you
cool.
serious?
I wish.
Okay.
Oh, cool. It has like a Japanese slice of tape. It has Japanese like newspaper stuff. That's pretty cool.
I want to have one.
See Wevel.
That is really cool though.
Ew, looks like a woman. Is that a woman? Oh, that is a woman.
There it is.
And there's Wevel.
Level. We're frito.
And then
Dude, that's so cool though.
there's some little Asian kids. Babies.
I mean, I don't want to live in Japan. That's cool though.
There. I don't know. Anyway, we're not looking for the newspaper. Oh, this is pretty cool. Freaking manga like pages.
Wish like you knew Japan.
That's pretty cool. That's actually really cool. Anyway, let's check what is in here.
There's lots of papers like this paper.
Yep. What I thought it was, and it is.
I don't know what's happening. Like, I don't know what kind of.
Remember I showed you the other one I had of this. Remember? It was like a purple dude.
Yeah, I don't really remember, but okay.
I showed it to you. I mean, it wasn't him, it was a different character. Anyway, this one.
Oh, yeah, never mind, okay.
So, I got Wiz, as you can see here. Yep. I also ordered God Goku and Vegeta, so that should be coming in. So I got Bills, or Birusu, what the fuck you want to call him, and Wiz. There you go.
That's pretty cool.
That's all I got though. I should be expecting some really cool thing coming in soon. It's huge actually. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, so expect a review of Wiz and Bills and I'm used to saying Bills and God Goku and Vegeta. All in one review. It's gonna be like a big review with all of them. So
that's actually really cool though. Like,
yep, it's pretty cool. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that little unboxing. And
yeah.
until my next video.
I love you. Is that it?
Next video.
Feel my feet. Bye.
Peace. Peace.
Peace. Go bye.
Peace.
I like cheese. Like peas and cheese. Let's go.
Peace in the Middle East.
Middle East. Oh.